Artificial intelligence has become one of the most influential forces shaping modern life. From navigation systems and medical tools to online shopping and digital assistants, AI affects daily decisions in ways many people do not even notice. Learning English through this topic helps you understand complex ideas while exploring one of the most important conversations of the 21st century. How should we use AI responsibly? This story follows Aidan, a young researcher who begins to question not only what AI can do, but what it should do. Aidan's journey starts when he attends a lecture titled The Ethics of Artificial Intelligence. The speaker asks a simple but powerful question. If a machine can make choices, who is responsible for the consequences? The room grows silent. Aidan realizes that AI ethics is not only about technology but also about human values. It demands careful thinking about fairness, privacy, responsibility, and the way decisions influence people's lives. As the lecture continues, Aidan learns about the first major challenge: bias. If an AI system is trained on unfair or unbalanced data, it may reinforce discrimination. Words like algorithmic fairness, transparency, and equitable decision-making become part of his vocabulary. He begins to see how important it is for English learners to understand these concepts, because conversations about ethics increasingly appear in global workplaces, schools, and governments. Aidan leaves the lecture with more questions than answers. He realizes that understanding AI ethics is a journey, not a simple lesson. It requires patience, reflection, and a willingness to look deeper into how society and technology interact. Aidan's next step is a research project exploring how AI systems use personal data. He visits a technology center where engineers demonstrate how machines gather information from browsing habits, location signals, and online activity. The engineers explain concepts like data protection, informed consent, and digital rights. Aidan understands that privacy is more than a technical issue. It is a question of dignity and freedom. He then studies the idea of accountability. If an AI system recommends the wrong treatment, denies a loan unfairly, or gives inaccurate information, who is responsible? The system itself cannot apologize or correct its own rules without human guidance. Aidan learns the phrase human oversight, meaning that people must remain in control of important decisions. This concept helps him see the difference between automation used for convenience and automation used for decisions that affect human well-being. Aidan also examines how AI influences everyday life. In one case study, he reads about workplaces where employers use AI to monitor workers' speed, accuracy, and behavior. In another example, he discovers algorithms that shape what people see on social media, affecting opinions and emotions. He learns new terms such as digital autonomy, emotional influence, and behavioral prediction. These examples make Aidan reflect on responsibility. AI can help humans achieve incredible progress, but it can also cause harm when used carelessly. Ethical thinking helps society build systems that support fairness, protect rights, and encourage transparency. Aiden begins to understand that the real challenge is not whether AI can be powerful, but whether its power serves the public good. As Aiden moves deeper into his research, he explores how societies can develop ethical guidelines for AI. He reads about government regulations, international agreements, and company-level principles designed to protect people. New vocabulary such as ethical framework, global standards, and responsible innovation helps him understand how organizations try to create balance between progress and protection. Aiden interviews professionals from different fields. A doctor explains that AI can help diagnose diseases earlier, but only if the data is secure and unbiased. A teacher shares how AI helps students learn, but warns against replacing real communication with automated tools. A business leader emphasizes the importance of transparency so customers understand how decisions are made. These conversations highlight a central theme. Ethical AI must be designed with people in mind. In the final stage of his journey, Aiden reflects on what he has learned. He realizes that the ethics of AI is not about stopping technology but guiding it. It requires humans to think critically, ask difficult questions, and make choices that protect the well-being of everyone. He understands that English learners benefit greatly from studying this topic because ethical discussions are becoming part of international workplaces, education systems, and public debates. Aiden concludes that a responsible future depends on cooperation. Engineers, policymakers, teachers, students, businesses, and everyday users all have a role in shaping AI. Ethical thinking ensures that technology strengthens society instead of weakening it. Through his exploration, Aiden discovers that learning about AI ethics is not just a technical skill. It is a pathway to deeper understanding, clearer communication, and shared responsibility for the world we are building together.